Hello guys, I hope you are doing good. So in this chapter we are going to see the practical part of this secret, how to apply it in a real chart. So let's take an example of this. For example, we want to trade the GBP USD because of good configuration in a chart. We will do that one here, which is the up direction on GBP USD. We have to go up on GBP USD. We have to confirm that the GBP GPY is up and the USD GPY is down. So let's search for this in a real chart. Here we are in CTrader platform. As we told in this table, we are seeking GBP USD buy trade. Here we are in the GBP USD. As we can see here in the daily time frame, we have here candlestick patterns. We have perfect candlestick patterns here with indicators that showing us that we are in an uptrend. The stochastic is above 50. The RSI is above 50. The stochastic also, and here we have bullish engulfing here. So we have a perfect opportunity of trading. Okay. So let's jump to M50 to confirm that the market is trending. So until here the market it's not trending, it's ranging. Before this candle we have a bullish engulfing and the market goes up. Then here we can search for a trade, but at this time. Okay, so let's do a vertical line here. The GBP GPY. The GBP GPY must be in an uptrend also. We have here the same chart as GBP USD, but here from the bottom to the top we have 100 pips, but here in the GBP USD we have 127 pips. I will show you why. So as we told you, here we are in an uptrend. RSI up 50, stochastic up above 50, and 50 time frame is trending here at this time. Okay, so how to choose if I am going to trade GBP USD or GBP GPY? As you can see, they have the same configuration. So this is how we can decide with this. So we have to see USD GPY to decide what to trade. For example, we have two excellent configurations in GBP USD and the same to GBP GPY in an uptrend direction. Or to decide that, you have to see the USD GPY, what is he doing, if it's in an uptrend or in a downtrend, at least in lower time frame. Okay, to decide that. In our market here we have same graphs, GBP USD and GBP GPY. Let's see this. Look at this beauty. So the USD GPY, it's trending down at 5 minutes, or let's see it at 115 ticks. The market is trending down here. We have a swing high, swing low. The swing high is lower than the previous high, so the characteristics of downtrend. And also here we have the moving average, the price quoting below the moving averages. The stochastic is below 50 and the RSI is also below 50. Here we can decide right now. Okay, so where we have the GBP USD up, GBP GPY up and USD GPY down. So let's take a look here. GBP USD up, GBP GPY up, but USD GPY it's down. So we have to trade pound USD. Okay, if here in the chart we have the USD GPY trending up, so we have to choose this, to trade GBP GPY. To decide, you have to see USD GPY first. I hope you guys understand very good this secret. As you can see, the chart is under your eyes. I proved you that this table will gives you a perfect trading entry and best trades with less risk. Okay, you have just to master it, practice, and until you master this strategy, and you will get a perfect trade. We decided to trade GBP USD. Let's take a look. Let's switch to 115 ticks to see the trades. We have one here with zero risk. We have another one here, zero risk. Here, another one here, another one here. Okay, a perfect trade. Okay, you can also reinforce your position. You open one here, you wait for the market to do a pullback, you reinforce here with a big lot and reinforce also here with a big lot and take your profits here. Okay, we will develop that in next chapters, how to optimize your entry and how to optimize your exit based also in this secret. Okay, but because this secret will gives you a lot of informations. So let's take a look at another example, a live example. See here, for example, a good trade. As we can see here, we have one. Okay, at this date, let's set a vertical line, 510. Let's see it in Euro USD. 1 hour, 510 is here, 510. I will not measure the point until I see the USD GPY. I will tell you exact before I measure. I will tell you which one will gives us a lot of points. Okay, the 510. It's this one, 510. 510. Let's do a vertical line. See this tick chart. So where is it? So here we have USD GPY trending up, okay, and Euro USD trending up and Euro Yen trending up. So for me, I will choose the Euro Yen, okay, because all the family is trending up. So let's take a look at the table, what he will tell us. For example, we want to trade Euro Yen. We must confirm that the USD GPY is trending up and the Euro USD is trending up, which that's what we have here at the same day. Okay, at the lower here, USD GPY trending up, Euro USD here at this date trending up. We have to choose Euro USD. So let's measure right now the point at 8 a.m. to the high. We have 96 point. Let's measure right now the Euro USD. 77 point. Let's measure the Euro USD from here at 8 p.m. to the top. We have just 78 point. Guys, I think that I proved you that my secret is working. Okay, you have just to master it, practice it, and practice it again and again and again until mastering it. You will always catching trades like what I'm showing you right now. So let's take a look at this trade to see our trade entries. Look at this. A perfect entry here. Reinforce it here. Another entry here. Reinforce it here. Reinforce it here. And take your profit at this range. We will develop that in other chapters with full details. Right now I'm just telling you here, and here, but after I will explain you why and where, and share with you all what I'm doing in my daily basis trading. Okay, so I think that's enough. Or if you want, you guys, I can also search for another thread. For example, let's see this 28.9. Let's see this 28.09. Okay, and let's see the GBP. Before I measure, I will tell you what to choose, what to trade. 29.8, 29.8, 29, 29, 20, 28.9, this. $28.9. Okay, so let's see GBP USD. 28.9. 28.9. This. Before I measure, I will tell you directly what to trade, if it's GBP USD or GBP GPY. I will tell you what is the pair that going to gives us a lot of point. Okay, so let's see 28.9, 28.9, 28.9. This. Here we are trending down, then the market trending down, then the market returning up. So in this case I am going to trade the GBP GPY, because at lower time frames the USD GPY is trending up at the same date. The GBP USD is trending also up, and the GBP GPY is also trending up. Look at the table, what he will tell us. To have a perfect trade entry or trade setup on GBP GPY, you need to have USD GPY going up and GBP USD going up. But to have GBP USD going up, you have to confirm it with GBP GPY up, but USD GPY trending down. But in our case, GBP GPY up, USD GPY up, GBP USD up. Let's measure right now the movement from the bottom to the top. We have 185 pips from the bottom to the top. 166. The GBP GPY is the best. Let's take a look at trade entries also. Look at this. Entry here, reinforce it with a big lot here. Another reinforce here. Okay, another, you can also reinforce it here and take your profit here. So I hope you guys understand this secret I proved you in a real chart. Okay, thank you guys for watching this chapter. If you didn't understand anything, contact me. Don't hesitate to reach me on email or directly in Udemy. See you in next chapters.